Hi guys, my name is Pratiwi. Welcome back to the YouTube channel 12 IPA Annually. In this video, I will make a homemade squishy. I am making these homemade squishies to save money and boost my creativities. So, let's get started. The materials and tools we need to prepare: sponge, tissue, scissors, crispy packaging, double tip, brush, and watercolor. First, separate the coarse and fine parts of the sponge. Then, this is only optional if you want to use a pattern that requires a marker and rulers. Next, we cut according to the patterns. After that, we tidy up a little. After that, double side tape all over the sponge so that there are no gaps. Make sure it is neatly attached. Let's fold the tissue in half. Place the tissue on the surface of the sponge until it is completely covered. Then tidy up the excess tissue. Squeeze, then make sure there are no gaps and it is neat. The last squishy paint neatly according to your imagination and creativity. Ta-da! Here it is, my homemade squishy. Don't forget to try it out. Thank you everyone. Bye-bye.